everyone, welcome back to WP Solutions. Today I will show you how you can create testimonial slider on your website with free plugin. As we are editing our website with Elementor, and in Elementor free version we don't have testimonial widget. Testimonial widget in Elementor is available in Pro version. So for this we will add a plugin which is totally free, and we are also using that plugin to create our header and footers. We created these header and footers with the help of this plugin, which is totally free, and it adds some extra widgets to Elementor. I will show you all the widgets available in this plugin. First I will show you the keywords for this plugin. As you can see, the elements kit you have to search in the search bar. After that you have to find this icon, just click install and activate the plugin. After that you will see all the widgets available in this plugin will be added to the Elementor toolbar. So for header and footer you have to go to elements kit menu and you will see header and footer widget builder elements kit, and you will also find some help in this menu. So now we will add a testimonial slider on our website from this plugin. So just scroll down, you will see testimonial, just drop this like this. After that you will see 6 templates available in this plugin. You can use any template and you can modify the template according to your design or needs. First I will select this template. After that I will add some dummy data to the slides so it will look nice. Just go to the testimonials, add the name, and add some text. After that move to second, Harry GM, add some text. Third testimonial I will use just also add some text here. You can add multiple items like this. Just add designation employee, some text. You can change the rating text, you can add link, choose image for the after that just select the second image for the client. Select the image. You can also use this slider for different purpose. If you want to show services on your website, you can use this slider, but you have to do some trick, like don't add the text in the description, add the text in this designation column and use this name column for service name. After that just go to the settings and change the number of slides to show on your screen according to your screen size. Just decrease or increase this space. If you want more space between slides you can increase. I will set it to 765 is enough. You can also change the speed of the slider You can also show the arrows for the slider. You can upload icons, and you can also choose from icon library. I don't want to show arrows, I will show dots. You will see the dots here. After that, you can also enable the looping, and now I will just customize the testimonial slider. I will set some background color on hover. Click on this one, select the color like this. Now it looks nice. You can also set the background color on normal like this. Select the color. It will add the background color on all slides, so I don't need it. I will uncheck this one. After that, move to wrapper. You can use fixed height for all the slides to look nice, and you can also change the slide height of slide according to the text or content. You just have to play with this one. After that, I will go to description. I will change the color of description. I will set to 0 000 to make it black. You can also set on hover. Typography, you can select the font family. Font size, I will go with 15. You can select weight. I will select 400. After that, close this one. You can change rating star colors. I will not touch this one. You can change the code color. I will make it black. You can adjust the size like this. I will set it to, I think it's enough, 35 is enough. Title separator, I don't need it. Go to client to modify the name of client. Change the font family to Poppins. The size, I will make it 20, I think. You can also change the color of designation, make it red, or you can use any color according to your design. Select the Poppins. So in this way you can create a nice testimonial slider on your website. So this is totally free, you don't have to pay. Because in most sliders these things are available in pro variants or paid variants. You can also modify the dots. This will be the dot spacing. You can adjust like this. I think it looks nice now. You can give some radius if you want to make a circle. You can also change the color of active dot. I will make it red, I think. You can use any color. You can go with this one, make it little bit dark like this. Yeah, I will leave it white and make the active one colored like this. Yes. So this is the testimonial slider which is available in free version elements kit, and you don't have to pay for pro versions for just sliders. You can use this slider for different sections like services or any other slider which have some columns. This slider is also super responsive. I will show you on different devices. Now select the tab view, and on tab view I will go with 2 slides like this, and on mobile click on scroll one at a time, and on mobile I will make it one, so it will look nice. If you want to give some radius to the slide or content, you can go to layout and just add some radius here like this. So this is the testimonial slider which we created today. In next video I will create animated buttons with fill animation, totally custom without any plugin and free. So just subscribe my channel, like my video and stay connected. I will show you the more interesting things in Elementor and WordPress. So thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.